everyone. I hope you had a good weekend. We had a Zoom meeting on Friday afternoon about, I think, Zoom. I can't remember now. But Teresa Ruggiero had suggested that I go over this and talk to you about CSV files and how to be able to see them in the format that you'd like. So just really quickly, I'm in my Zoom. I'm on the my computer, which is important, at zoom.us, and I'm going to click on reports. And so once I click on reports, now I'm going to click on usage. Okay, so these are my reports for today. I've had just a couple. You can search obviously from previous reports. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my participants. So when I click on my participants, then I'm going to see meeting participants, and I can export with meeting data, which means it's just going to show me the name that I read that it thinks I am, and it's also going to show the email, possibly depending on how I did it. I did both of these with a Google Calendar invite, so that's why I'm getting the email, and the join time and the leave time. So I'm going to go ahead and export, and you're going to export into a format called CSV, which stands for comma separated value. So that means that it knows that in the file there's a row and there'll be a list of information separated by commas, and it knows that each comma goes into a different cell. So when I click here, I can say open, or I can say show in Finder. So if I show it in the Finder, there it is. Now if I do a right click on this file, so that's the same as a control click or a right click if you have one of these fancy things that I have, but it's control click otherwise. And if you click on get information, you're going to get a little pop-up window that looks like this. And if you open this little thing, which mine's open, but yours probably isn't, open with, it will give you a lot of different options of what you could open with. So, for example, this is like a spreadsheet. So you could open it with Excel, you could open it with numbers, it might open in OpenOffice. It may not be in the format you want. So you just go ahead and click what you want. I want Microsoft Excel. And then notice it says here, use this application to open all documents like this one. So you can say change all here. So now, from now on, whenever you get a CSV file, it'll automatically open in Microsoft Excel, which is what I want. And now, so if I click, I'm now going to see this in Microsoft Excel. And you don't have to do this. I mean, the reason for this is for you to know who was at your meeting or not. If you already know, you don't need to go through this step, but otherwise this step should work just fine. I hope this helped.